नमस्कार दोस्तों, एक बार फिर जुड़ने के लिए मेरे साथ इस वीडियो एनालिसिस में। और आज हम देख रहे हैं कि जिस प्रकार का एनालिसिस हमने किया है बैंक निफ्टी में वो काफ़ी बढ़िया रहा है। तो अगर आपको जानना है कि आगे क्या होने वाला है बैंक निफ्टी में, मेरे साथ बने रहिए इस वीडियो में। मेरा नाम है राजा वेंकटरामन और मैं नियो ट्रेडर का को फाउंडर हूँ। और अगर आप हमारी वीडियो पर पहली बार आ रहे हैं तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ एज मैनी पीपल एज पॉसिबल सो दैट दे नो हाउ we are doing structured analysis. And if you're coming to our video for the first time, I would like you to stay on till the end because I am going to be analyzing about the Nifty and the Bank Nifty and what are the prospects ahead. But then more about Bank Nifty is what is going to be covered as part of this video. So let's get started. And what we are seeing right now on the charts is once again the daily chart, right? Last week हमने देखा कि markets were struggling. But then what has happened this week is market has given a fantastic move. And the way the market has exactly panned out has been really phenomenal. As you can see here, the Feb and the March we spent in a consolidation. And then what has happened is the entire market was able to sustain above 41,500. तो अगर आप आगे के तौर पे देखेंगे तो 41,500 जो है has become a very important area. So if you were to take a look at this whole move, right, you can see here that the entire market has continued to try and hold on to this level. But then what's really happening is at 41,500, it was facing a resistance. So now when you are taking a look at the market, you can see here that at 41,500, this resistance zone which was there has been overcome. And now we moved on to 42,500. Now the 42,500 level has also been overcome. So as we can see, yesterday we had discussed about this, that there is 500 point to the upside and 500 point to the downside. And what we really wanted was a closing above 43,000. So जिस प्रकार का movement आया है बैंक निफ्टी में, it has been quite good. And towards the end of the session, Bank Nifty really pulled it up. It pulled up the momentum. And even if you go into the intraday chart, so let's go into the intraday charts. और आपको दिखेगा यहाँ पे कि इंट्राडे चार्ट्स पे 43,000 जो है, मैंने आपसे कहा था कि R3 इज अ प्रॉफिट बुकिंग जोन. तो व्हाई एम आई डिस्कसिंग बैंक निफ्टी? बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू कि बैंक निफ्टी इज द इंडेक्स विच कैन टेक द मार्केट हायर. तो क्या इसमें और भी बुलिशनेस है? येस, देयर इज मोर बुलिशनेस इन बैंक निफ्टी एंड इफ इट इज एबल टू ग्रो अबव 43,000. So now to ensure that you are able to participate, you need to do a minimum 30-minute wait. You got to wait for the first 30 minutes and you got to see if Bank Nifty is able to sustain above 43,000. क्योंकि अगर 43,000 के ऊपर सस्टेन करने नहीं लगा, ये सारा जो ड्रामा जो है अगर वो अनफोल्ड होने नहीं लगा above 43,000, then you know that this level is attracting supply. This is something which you got to consider and we will be discussing more on this. But what you know are seeing is a very bullish situation in Bank Nifty. So now let's go into our dashboard. Okay, let's go into our dashboard and see how the Bank Nifty has performed overall on the expiry day. See, you can see here overall on the expiry day, not much of bullishness has been seen. So what is that message? कि overall Bank Nifty में एक bullishness है, but then bullishness एकदम slowly unfold हो रहा है. तो आपको भी संभाल के काम करना पड़ेगा. We should not get too excited at the moment, but then yes, if you want to participate in the banking space, the index is a better option. All right. So now, if you take a look even at the dials which I showed you yesterday, the positional and multi-day are continuing to be on the bullish side. तो हमें इस bullish possibility के साथ काम करना है. और जब भी हम यहाँ पर जाकर देख रहे हैं, right, on the Bank Nifty, you can see here that the टारगेट जोन अराउंड 43,500, राइट. 43,500 का एक अच्छा खासा टारगेट जोन है. और 43,500 पे आप देखेंगे कि मार्च का R3 और अप्रैल का R3 पर एक कॉन्फ्लुएंस बन रहा है, राइट. यू कैन सी हियर दैट दिस काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फ्लुएंस विच इज इमर्जिंग एट द हायर लेवल्स इज क्लियरली एन इंडिकेशन. दिस इज फेब एंड मार्च एंड अप्रैल दोनों का कॉन्फ्लुएंस जोन हो रहा है यहाँ पे. So now if you're going to trade into the markets and if you're expecting a target zone for Bank Nifty, that is 43,500 on the upside, on the lower levels 42,500 से लेकर 300 could be a good pullback zone to buy into. Overall momentum remains positive. So let's see what are the levels telling us for the next few days. Okay. So now once again I will go into my stock analyzer and let us see on a multi-day and positional basis दोनों में buy है, तो हम उसमें जाकर देखेंगे कि overall positioning क्या है. So I am looking at levels to trade into Bank Nifty and I can see that 43,000 का जो हमने discussion किया था, you can see that the R3 level has been reached, right? R3 level has been reached, so we have to be a little careful here क्योंकि इसके आगे जब ये चलने लगेगा the possibility of going towards 43,500. So here 43,500 is the next target. So we have got two levels here. It's matching as per our overall Fibonacci setup. It's matching as per our pivot levels as well. Now on the reaction on the way down, हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था 42,500 से लेके 42,300. So that could be a zone to watch out for. So that will continue to remain at this current juncture. There are no specific cluster levels emerging here. So what we have to do is we have to wait for a reaction to buy into Bank Nifty. अगर आपको buy करना है तो 43,000 के ऊपर closing होना पड़ेगा at least on a 30-minute candle और आपका target होगा towards 43,500. Now if you are not interested to buy on the upside and if you're looking for a reaction on a next 1 or 2 day basis, so what you need to do is you need to see this level of around 42,500, right? 42,500 is a very important zone. So 42,500 पे जब भी आ जाएगा 500 से लेके 600 में अगर एक रिएक्शन आता है कल तो तभी आप बाई कर सकते हैं, otherwise you are not able to buy Bank Nifty. But then if you take a even look at Nifty, you can see here that Nifty has also spent some time and it has crossed R1 at the moment. So now at this juncture, okay, at this juncture, I would like to say that if you want to participate in the market, Nifty is looking to be much better than Bank Nifty. So when you take a look at Nifty, you can see here that it has just started crossing R1, okay, and Nifty has got a much better prospect. Now what Nifty has to do, okay, what Nifty has to do is Nifty has to cross the 18,000 zone. Why? Because there are series of resistances around 18,000. So we will be tracking Nifty in the upcoming session and see if it is able to cross 18,000. तो उसके 18,000 के आगे 18,400 का लेवल बन रहा है, बट लेकिन आज एक्सपायरी था, there was lot of dullness in the market, but stock specific action continues to remain. So you have to be focusing on stock specific action. और इंडेक्स में अभी कल अगर 30 मिनट्स के बाद बैंक निफ्टी चलने लगेगा, so then it will be a very very exciting prospect and we can see the market moving up. But everyone please note, Bank Nifty has reached the resistances which I was talking about for the week. So we are at a very very important juncture. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked what you heard, do not forget to leave a comment on this video and also share this video with as many people as possible so that they know what kind of resistances are there, what kind of supports are there, and how they can participate on the indices in a steady manner. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and stay safe.